Bill Daniels. I'm the owner of Dayton's Original Pizza Factory, and I'm the proud winner of the 2023 Great Pizza Give Back. We started Dayton's Original Pizza Factory in 1986. This is year 37 for us. Pizza is a great magnet to help draw people out, get them together, and that interaction is what weaves the fabric of a strong community. We're part of a team with local churches and community activists that started a neighborhood youth organization that was basically an after-school pickup, kickball, softball, baseball program. And by the time that summer was over, there was about a 40% drop in petty crime in the neighborhood. For over 20 years, we donated pizzas to the winners of the Montgomery County Violence Prevention Program. We have a runaway shelter called Daybreak. It occurred to us that those kids probably don't get a pizza night. For 20 plus years, we've had the last Friday of the month be the pizza night. I'm very excited about the prize that we were awarded, and I love the idea that it's a sponsorship. It's something that's going to afford us the opportunity to take some of the ideas that we've had that maybe we haven't quite been able to afford, one of which is a scholarship. The Great Pizza Give Back has inspired us to think about other opportunities.
Your local pizzeria operators are some of the most passionate people in the food service industry. They are active participants. They are making impacts and positive change to everywhere in their area. And for a lot of communities, the local pizzeria is the cornerstone.
I'd like to challenge other people, regardless of what their job is or occupation, to try to figure out how they can do good in the truest sense of the word. Pizza creates obvious opportunities, and it's really fun for us to be able to do that. And I think other people will find it really gratifying and really rewarding. So there's the challenge. Find out how to do good every day.